Hi everyone, welcome to the Emma Coloring Channel. Today we're going to learn colors with this coloring page. Let's play! Orange,
all around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
red,
Monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop
yellow,
goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the
blue,
all around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
green,
The dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock.
blue,
Struck five, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, oh fiddlesticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Thanks for watching the Emma Coloring Channel. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up that lets me know to make more videos just like this for you. Click or tap on this video to watch it. Click or tap to subscribe. It's free. Plus, you get to see my latest videos. And until next time, be happy and keep smiling.